Welcome to the best picks. The best Bio Ethanol Burner is probably one of the most sought-after home heating decorative solutions in recent years, offering a stylish and eco-friendly alternative to traditional fireplaces. And in this video, we will delve into what makes a top-tier Bio Ethanol Burner stand out from the rest, examining key features, safety considerations, and the overall user experience to help you make an informed decision for your home. Number 5. Roundfire Premium Ethanol Fuel. It's the highest grade bioethanol you can find. Experience the purest burn possible. Enjoy a smokeless and odorless flame. It's ash-free, for a clean and enjoyable experience. It's perfect for your bioethanol fireplaces, burners, and stoves. Use it wherever you need a clean burning fuel source. It's 100% plant-derived and produces only CO2 and water when burned. It's a responsible choice for your home. We have years of experience in providing high-quality fireplace products and fuels. You can trust in our expertise. Upgrade your fireplace experience with Roundfire Premium Ethanol Fuel. Enjoy clean, efficient, and beautiful flames. What we like. This bioethanol fuel is of the highest grade, ensuring a clean and smokeless burn. It's also 100% plant-derived, making it an eco-friendly choice. If you are looking for a superior quality fuel that's kind to the environment, you should consider this. What people say. Works very well, burns clean, no smell, and is nice and warm. My wife and I use this fuel with a tabletop fireplace that holds up to half a liter. While we've never put that much in at once, this fuel is long-lasting and creates a pleasant blue flame. It provides great ambience for sitting outdoors on the deck or watching movies. We've been through about 1.5 L of fuel so far, and there is still no soot anywhere, which shows how pure this ethanol is. Works great, no issues at all. Number 4. Danya Tabletop Fire Pit. This stylish fire pit brings the ambience of a fireplace to any space. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. It uses clean-burning bioethanol fuel, eliminating the need for messy wood or gas. Simply add fuel and enjoy a smokeless flame. Its portable design allows you to easily move it from room to room or take it outdoors. It's the perfect centerpiece for any gathering. The elegant design features a durable metal base and a clear glass hurricane. It's a beautiful addition to any home decor. This versatile fire pit is designed to work well in various settings. Create a cozy atmosphere indoors or a warm focal point outdoors. Choose the size that best fits your space and needs. It's available in 2 sizes to suit your preferences. This beautiful piece measures 8 by 8 by 11 3/8 inches. It's compact yet impactful. What we like. It's a portable and ventless design, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Its modern style makes it a beautiful centerpiece for any occasion. If you need a versatile and stylish fire pit, this is the one for you. What people say. The small, round glass cylinder and dark brown base create a sleek, modern look. The glowing embers and small flames add warmth and ambience, making it perfect for relaxing or entertaining. These are super easy to assemble and look beautiful on our dining room table. It's packaged upside down, so if you put it together the way you took it out of the packaging, it won't set up correctly and you will definitely be confused and disappointed. Because of the glass, the flame was protected from breezes. Number 3. Mr.Ton Tabletop Fire Pit. It's a beautiful tabletop fireplace, perfect for adding ambience to any space. The clear glass and stainless steel create a lovely focal point, and it even provides some gentle warmth. This portable fire pit uses bioethanol fuel for a clean and gorgeous flame. While it can use 95% alcohol, bioethanol is recommended for the best results. Fuel is not included. Enjoy 2 to 3 hours of warmth with a full tank of fuel. It produces 6,800 BTUs, enough to comfortably warm a space up to 250 square feet. It's a stylish addition to any patio or table. The durable metal base and clear glass are elegant and easy to clean. It won't make your table hot to the touch. This fire pit is incredibly easy to assemble and use. No electricity, gas, chimney, or gel cans are needed. Just assemble, add fuel, and light. It's lightweight and easy to move, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. The glass helps protect the flame from wind. This ventless fireplace measures 14 by 7 by 8.3 inches, with a 0.5 L fuel chamber. What we like? This option boasts a large fuel chamber for extended burn times and is incredibly easy to assemble and use. It's also a great centerpiece for any table. If you value convenience and a long-lasting flame, you should consider this. What people say. An easy and convenient way to add character and ambience to any space. Use proper fluids. Beautiful design. What a nice feature to add to the table for our outside dining. Saw it at a friend's and just had to get one. Used it last night and although it was very breezy outside, the flame never went out. In addition, it is really a nice high flame. Assembly was not a problem. But be careful in putting the oil in, follow the instruction. Number 2. Tabletop Bio Ethanol Fireplace. It's fueled by clean-burning bioethanol, so there's no need for a chimney. This makes it a beautiful and functional addition to any room. With its sleek design and 360 degrees view of the flames, it's a stylish centerpiece for any gathering. It also makes a fantastic gift for design lovers. It's incredibly easy to use and requires no electricity or gas. Simply add bioethanol fuel for a warm and inviting ambience. Enjoy the beauty of real flames without the hassle of smoke, soot, or ash. It's perfect for indoor or outdoor use. Place it on your dining table, coffee table, or patio. The possibilities are endless. It adds warmth and elegance to any setting. We're committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or issues, we'll respond within 24 hours. What we like? With its sleek design and 360 degrees view of the flames, it's a stylish statement piece. It's also economical to run, using readily available bioethanol fuel. If you appreciate modern aesthetics and value for money, this is a great choice. What people say. Provides a beautiful and cozy setting to the outdoor conversation area. The glass panels add a nice touch and make it look more substantial. Perfect little tabletop fireplace. Ambience, easy and a nice touch for when friends are over. I researched these tabletop fire pits that you pour the fuel into for over a month, and this one was the best product I found after reading many reviews. It actually puts out a good bit of heat. I looked for the fuel and couldn't find it, so I just bought alcohol 91%, and the fire in the video and pics is with the alcohol. It has a great ambience. Number 1. Bioethanol Fireplace Fuel. It delivers unbeatable value and a long burn time, perfect for your tabletop fire pit, stove, or burner. Enjoy the warmth and ambience it creates. It's meticulously designed for safety with a leak-proof structure and an easy pour cap. You can relax and enjoy your fire pit without worry. Experience clean, smokeless, and odorless burning. It's ideal for indoor and outdoor use, providing a soot-free experience every time. It's responsibly made from renewable resources, offering an environmentally friendly heating solution for your fire pit. It's the guilt-free choice for a cozy atmosphere. It creates captivating flames and is the ultimate fire pit fuel. Support American-made products while enjoying superior quality and warmth. What we like? It offers an unbeatable burn time and comes in a leak-proof container for safety. It's also made from renewable resources, making it an environmentally responsible choice. If you prioritize safety, value, and sustainability, you should consider this. What people say. The fuel burns cleanly without any smoke, soot, or odor, which is a huge plus, especially when using it indoors. The flames are vibrant and steady, creating a warm and cozy ambience that's perfect for relaxing evenings or entertaining guests. It has a low volatility, so it doesn't evaporate too quickly, and you don't have to worry about a flash ignition when lighting. It has a low odor, but present, though I feel that is a result of the additives that help rein in the fumes and slow the evaporation, which, in turn, controls the flame height via controlled burn rate. Worked great. Burned well with no issues from my tabletop fire pit. No smell or soot. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.